to show me how a garage door should work properly.
Yes. Alright, so here's what a before is. We're going to lubricate all these stuff and the springs and the hinge, the wheels, and we're going to fix the limit because when I shut it down, I'm going to show you what it's doing. Alright, here we go with my clicker. So you can hear it. Yep, it needs to be lubricated. Now watch what happens. So yep, you can see that rail is bending. And we're using this, oh man, what is this model number? This is hard. I think it's a 1573 LM. This is the remote. So we're gonna lubricate all this. Now watch what happens when that spring makes the noise. You can hear it. So yep, you can hear all that creaking. Alright, so we'll show you what the after and all this should look like. Thank you.